So in this question we have to find which element shows here magnetic moment of 5.9 bm. So here are these elements given. So first we will write the electronic configuration. For the complex of NiCO4, electronic configuration of Ni is given. For Fe F6 3 minus, we will find the electronic configuration of Fe. For FeCN 6 3 minus, we will find the electronic configuration of Fe3 plus. And for CrH2O6, we will find the electronic configuration of Cr3 minus. So from these electronic configuration we will find the unpaired electrons. So for the first nickel, the unpaired electron is 0. For Fe3 plus unpaired electrons are 5. Fe3 plus unpaired electrons is 1. For Cr3 minus unpaired electrons are 3. So magnetic moment spin will be 5.91. For unpaired electrons 5.